Imagine this. You're using real estate as a tax strategy thinking that you've got it all figured out. But what if there was a way to offset up to $300,000 or more in your taxes this year without dealing with tenants, property management, or waiting decades for depreciation or appreciation? It's a strategy that has the potential to work with 2 million, 10 million, and beyond. So if you're only focused on real estate, you could be leaving significant tax benefits on the table. It's time to explore a modern approach to tax strategy, one that's built for the 21st century. Hi, I'm Bo Turner, the CEO of Abundant Minds, and for years I utilized real estate as my way to build wealth and manage taxes. But I'll be honest, relying on old school methods limited my options. Once I discovered this strategy, it changed everything for me. By tapping into a more modern approach, I've been able to streamline my tax planning, reduce my tax burden, and position my portfolio for greater returns. And if I knew this simple and easily implementable tax strategy, it would have saved me years of headaches and multiple millions of dollars in the process. The problem is that traditional tax strategies are outdated. For decades, real estate has been one of the go-to methods for tax savings, and it's clear why. There's rental income for consistent cash flow from rent payments, you get appreciation and long-term value growth on your properties, and tax benefits, depreciating physical assets, and write-offs for expenses like maintenance, property management, and your interest payments. But here's the catch. Real estate comes with limits. Your depreciation is slow, 27 and a half years to get your real estate fully depreciated, and your cash flow depends on your tenants paying on time. Managing your properties almost always requires hands-on effort, and if you need to get a property toward the end of the year, you also have closing timelines to worry about, which may not get done by December 31st if you don't have a deal readily available and clear to close. The solution is this 21st century tax strategy, and this is where things get interesting. Imagine taking everything that you love about real estate tax benefits and getting them upfront and in full, or at least in a huge chunk. That's what's possible with Bitcoin mining, and here's how it works. You get instant write-offs thanks to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, and you can potentially deduct 100% of your mining equipment costs in year one through bonus depreciation and Section 179 write-offs if you're a mining business. Now let that sink in for a second. You buy $300,000 worth of mining rigs, and boom, you can write off the entire amount immediately in your mining business. There's no waiting around for years of depreciation like with real estate. This isn't just a tax benefit, it's like getting an instant rebate on your mining operation. But wait, it gets even better. Let's talk about energy credits. This is one of the secret weapons that most miners overlook. If you're smart about your power setup, you can tap into some serious tax credits by using renewable energy like solar, and you could be eligible for federal tax credits of up to 30%, plus possible state-level incentives. Imagine cutting your operating expenses in your mining business and getting paid by the government to do it. That's exactly what these energy credits let you do. And you can stack these benefits. This is why this is such a game changer for your investment strategy. You can use bonus depreciation to offset your high income years, tap into energy credits to lower your operating costs, and even use any operating losses strategically against your other income sources. By layering these deductions and your credits and your loss offsets, you're using what some might call a tax Swiss Army knife to minimize liability on multiple fronts. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Most investors, even the sophisticated ones, have no idea how powerful these tax benefits are when they're properly structured. They're leaving serious money on the table, but you don't have to be one of them. Now, let's use a real example. For instance, if you make $1 million taxable income and invest $300,000 in mining equipment, let's see how that affects your taxes. If I take $300,000 and divide it by 27 and a half years, like I would in real estate, this is what I get. $10,909 a year that I get to deduct in depreciation. If I take $300,000 and put it into Bitcoin mining, the full $300,000 can be written off in that first year. Even if I don't have a fully mining focused business and I just take 60% bonus depreciation, that's still $180,000 in offsets, or 18 times what you would get in a real estate write-off scenario. So don't leave money on the table. Many investors are still using only real estate strategies and they're missing out. If you've ever felt like you're paying too much in taxes, this could be why. You're not taking advantage of all the tools tools available to you. And ultimately, this isn't just about saving on taxes. It's about building a more efficient, profitable operation from day one. When you combine these tax strategies with smart operational decisions, you're not just mining Bitcoin. You're mining tax benefits that can completely transform your investment returns and help you keep more of your money. So take the next step. At this point, you're probably wondering, how do I get started? That's where we come in. At Abundant Minds, we've built a system designed to help investors capture these potential tax benefits without the stress of setting up an entire mining operation. In our turnkey setup, our state-of-the-art mining facility is fully optimized for efficiency, savings, and compliance, and you're plugging into a system that's already running. We've handled the operational side so you don't have to. Our team ensures that everything from hardware to operations are properly accounted for and managed, and we handle everything. And here's the best part. While you're maximizing your tax benefits, you're also generating the best money in the world, Bitcoin, as a byproduct. We've simplified the process to make it as smooth as possible. There's no energy contracts, no maintenance headaches, no operational burdens, and nothing that you have to take time to deal with. So listen, you could spend months or years trying to figure this all out on your own, or you could schedule a call with us right now and have your mining operation up and running in a few days. So click the link below to schedule a call with our team, because each day you wait is another opportunity for tax savings that might be gone. And this is why timing matters, because as Bitcoin's price rises, so does the cost of mining equipment. If you wait, you're not just missing out on tax benefits, you're also potentially paying more for the same equipment. This is one of those act now kind of moments. Click below to schedule a call and see how these tax benefits could work for you. Follow us at Abundant Minds on X, YouTube, or Instagram for more ways to keep your money working for you and get our most recent tips. Your next move matters. Every day you're either maximizing your tax benefits or you're funding somebody else's. So which side do you want to be on?